adrenaline. Adrenaline just takes over. You kind of become another person, superhero in some sort. Once my music hits, get that feeling in my body, get the jitters, because I know it's time's ready to go. We're doing all the exciting stuff, the flips, the big bumps, the big moves, to kind of take you away from the everyday life.
All of you critics be acting like you know better, blowing the smoke, but I know when the dust settles, that I'm in my element, it's evident at this level to the game.
A lot of people throw around the fake words, but to those people, I just want you guys to step in the ring and see how you feel it, eh? Ia hau e pēpi ana, kōku mātua, kahara tāua, ki te mātaki i ngā mahi WWE. Nō reira mai kora, kua piki toku aroha mō tēnei, enei momo mahi o te mamai. Ia rā ka kōrero pāna i enei mahi, ka mahi i enei mahi i te kura. A mātou e whawhai ana, e tākoro ana, ai.
The scheduled fall, one fall! Introducing.
A lot of my whānau's here. It's a lot of their first time seeing what I can do in the ring. So I just want to make them proud, show them what I've got. A lot of people go with different names, they try do some different gimmicks, but I'm Tūturu to myself. The Hawk name's pretty synonymous in Auckland and Tāmaki, so it's kind of living on to that reputation, I guess. It's a big name around here, and I'm just going to make it a big name here in the wrestling scene. It's ready to go. Ia wā ngā raiti ke runga, ngā tangata e umere ana, koia te wā, ka tino uo ki te kaupapa. You can feel like Iron Man in the middle of the ring, because as soon as you take those bumps, you just don't feel it. You just feed off the crowd, feed off their energy, and that's what kind of gets you over the line. We do have some good guys in there, we have some bad guys, but both feed off the same energy. Some people get booed and they love it, so they draw off that, and then some people get cheered, and like me, so I just feed off it. If I can hear my cousins, if I can hear my fans calling out, then I want to do it for them, I want to do it for myself, my whānau, my iwi, everyone. It's a drug that you just can't get rid of. Toku mama, te rangia māku te kāti i enei mahi. Nā te mea kari e ka kaitiki te ahau i enei momo mahi. The big leagues is obviously WWE, where everyone's trying to reach for, go to. If I can finally make it there somehow, I want one of her first matches to come watch me, is to be over there on the big stage. It's a moi moi of mine, so hopefully we get there in the end. So Mum, I'll see you there, eh?